Hello, my crypto fans, coming back at you with a couple of pieces of news that's really going to help you with your future trades and just to have the in know. Well, if you haven't already, subscribe, help us support the channel, and click that bell notification so that way you don't miss any more of our videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started. So, the first one that I have is the crypto liquidations become elevated, which hit the highest persistent level of 2024, all due to the Bitcoin rally. Right. So far, November's seen a yearly record daily of 300 million plus liquidations because of the rally of Bitcoin. So that's all within 24 hours, and Bitcoin holdings between around 89,700, 92,500, which is at $317 million liquidated. So long positions lost 210 million and shorts lost 106 million. So they continue to go over 300 million since the November 6th Bitcoin price climb. Now, the highest levels were recorded on the 12th, of course, when 800 million was actually liquidated because it reached 87,009. There's some data from CoinGlass that shows that long positions accounted for around 60%, 66% of all of the liquidations. Now, Binance actually led the exchanges with $139.72 million in liquidations in just 24 hours. And of course, there was OKX and Bybit that followed behind them as well. Even though there was low volatility, there was a maximum 6% price swing within inside of that 24 hours, all from November the 6th. And of course, traders are going in leverage positions that are getting liquidated. Now, the liquidation levels are suggesting that traders are using high leverage or low collateral, and which is causing losses for both longs and shorts. Now, they could go along with Bitcoin's bull run, and traders actually are making leverage bets on market movements, and that's all causing the liquidations, even with minor price fluctuations. So, there we go. Okay, so the next piece. Crypto funds hit around $2.2 billion weekly inflow, all because of the recent surge to 93K. So again, back to Bitcoin. According to CoinShares' latest report, their latest weekly report, there was crypto funds registered a net inflow of $2.19 billion globally, which is massive, bringing a year-to-date inflow to a record high of $33.5 billion. Wow. Okay, so the surge went along with Bitcoin's rally, the same, and it contributed to CoinShares' total assets under management, the for crypto funds reaching 138 billion. Now, the U.S.-based funds primarily kind of pushed the drive for the inflows, and that's around 2.21 billion of the weekly inflow. Other regions like Hong Kong, Canada, Australia, they contributed $27 million, 18 million, and 13 million. Of course, investors in Sweden and Germany opted to take profits. And of course, that made regional net outflows around $58 million and 6.8 million. But Bitcoin based products actually dominated the market. They attracted $1.48 billion in net inflows all across the globe over a week. Now, of course, everyone's all interested in Bitcoin now, so it's going back, and all because of the price surge, but also made a notable increase in short Bitcoin investment products. That was around $49 million in new investments. So this development is actually reflecting skepticism or hedging against the price pullbacks that we're seeing now. Ethereum actually seen some challenges as well within the last couple of months, and they're showing signs of recovery by registering net inflows around $646 million across the globe. Head of research for CoinShare, James Butterfield, highlighted that the turnaround could have been influenced by a mix of market factors like the proposed network upgrade called Beam Chain, that was created by Ethereum researcher Justin Drake, and market optimism that was driven by the U.S. elections. But the inflows represented 5% of the total AUM, which showed new investor confidence as well. But just like in Ethereum, Butterfield also said that the overall spike in the crypto inflows last week is all because of the same situation with the election taking place and the monetary policy, and of course the Republican victory, right? So he also said that the week began with 3 billion inflows over the last few days, but around 866 million outflows were actually seen as well, that followed Bitcoin's all-time high. So let me know what you think. Do you think that we're going to see a sharp recovery coming back? When I say recovery, I mean retracement coming back, now that we're having it. Do you think people are still bullish with inside of Bitcoin and Ethereum? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.